Welcome back to 515 Garage. I pulled my Miata in this garage. It's heated and we cleared it out a little bit. Got Matthew here, brought his hoist and engine stand over from his garage. So what we're going to do is this winter I'm going to pull the motor. I've been talking about it for a while and Matthew's kind of the expert here because he's pulled the motor a few times. So what do we have to take off? Because we're going to take off this bumper, we took off the hood. What do we have to disconnect?
Just simple stuff like you got the fuel lines, you got all the wires, you pull your coil pack off.
Fuel lines, coil pack, the heater hoses.
Yeah, two heater hoses on the back. I'm gonna take the intake tube off.
Yep.
You got the two motor mounts.
I'm gonna take the headlights off. So there's what, one nut on each motor mount.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one.
And then we have to take the trans.
3 power plant frame bolts.
Yep.
3 10mm bolts on the shifter.
Yep. And we haven't drained anything yet, so we're gonna do that first.
Yeah.
But after we drain that and get some of those disconnected, we'll give you an update. All right, so update. We got the oil drained, coolant drained, got the radiator out.
Some of the side stuff out.
Yep, some of the like air box and stuff like that. Heat shield. So looks like, what else do we have? Got to do the drain the trans.
Training fluid. Label all your wires because some of the wires I'm not familiar with 1.8.
Yeah.
Figure out what we're gonna do about your AC because
yeah,
it'll be fun.
Fuel lines and stuff.
Yeah, all that small shit, and then
but
hook it up to the hoist and should be able to pull it
I need
out.
to find some chains or some ratchet straps or something, and then once we drain that and get those little things out, then we could probably pull it.
Yeah, it should take like 30 minutes to pull. It shouldn't be too long.
Update. What have we done?
Start with my face.
What have we done?
We got the gear oil out of the tranny.
Yep.
We got the shifter pulled out of the tranny.
Mm-hmm.
I believe we got all the wires unplugged.
Yep. Labeled most of them that were not obvious. Got the AC done.
Yeah.
Poisoned ourselves with Freon because
Freon all over because we forgot to
when you
depressurize
take
it.
out this, be careful because it'll go right up in your face.
That's if you don't depressurize it.
And the header's still on. It's like an EGR thing. We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We're gonna start pulling it up and see what happens, but everything's unbolted. We just got to get the motor mounts undone, and after that, we're gonna hook the hoist up. So we'll update back when we have the motor mounts done. So we got it out.
All right, we did it. Woo.
Yep, I had to cut these wires on the top of the trans because I couldn't figure out how it worked, and I'm just gonna have to do it. But look how sludgy this thing is. Yeah, this thing's getting washed.
Fucked.
And yeah, we're pretty dirty, but it's out. I didn't think we'd be able to do it.
It only took all day on this one.
Yeah, it took all day, but whatever.
I'm not used to taking stock Miata engines out. So.
Yeah. So we're just gonna put this on a tire, take the exhaust off if we can figure out the EGR stuff.
It should be easier now.
I mean, we could take it off on the back of the intake, I think, and then take the trans off and put it on the stand. So, yep, that's how you pull a motor and
Miata?
motor and a Miata.
Hell yeah!
All right, jack it up a little bit more.
Show clear.
What's all this white shit over here?
What?
There's like white chalk shit. I don't know.
Chalk zone.
Yeah, let's put it on the tire. Okay, that's the hood latch.
You got one of those. You want to lift it up a little?
Is this as high as it goes?
No.
Oh. Okay. Let's just do it right here.
Move if we have to. Alright. You starting it?
Yep. Let me know because I can't really see. Jesus! Slower. Okay, wait. Okay,
Are you pushing on it?
a little bit. Here. Yeah. Is it lined up? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
Enough to take the trans off.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put it on the engine stand now.
Oh, there's my garage door opening again. Jesus.
It's gonna take some cleaning to get this thing ready.
So, are you keeping AC?
I don't know if I'm keeping AC because I kind of dickered it up
Yeah. I think we should just.
and I broke one of the wires, but I don't know.
Snapped a few bolts,
It's leaking.
Freon everywhere.
Yeah, it'd be kind of nice to keep if I ever sold it, but I used it maybe twice in a whole year, so.
I've seen a lot of Miatas that don't have AC.
Yeah, so let's get on the engine stand.
Car engine out of the car.
What are we doing now?
We got the transmission off, got the flywheel clutch and all
Yep.
that bullshit off.
Thanks to Matthew.
Yeah,
Now we're gonna put it on the stand.
yeah. Why do I even talk? You just talk, you know.
Yeah. So I got the trans off. Matthew did the clutch and flywheel and pressure plate thing, whatever. It's all over there.
Yeah, stuff and things and putting it on the stand. Hopefully,
If I can figure out how to put this on the stand. So this has to go here.
well, it can go there.
Where else would it go? Down there.
All the
Oh,
other-
we also. Here, let's see if I can find it because I gotta use these anyway. One of these we completely messed up. This one. There's no threads on the end of it anymore.
Okay.
Mike thinks it might be the block, but
Oh, yeah.
are they shot?
Looks like it. Yeah, retapping that's not gonna be too bad.
Gonna have to retap that one, or just not use it.
Or just not use.
JB welded in.
That's
All right, so
our solution.
that's how you pull a motor in one day. Didn't really explain it too much, but it's kind of self-explanatory. Just take off everything that's around the engine, take off the motor mounts, take off the power plant frame that attaches to the transmission, disconnect fuel lines and all electrical things connected. Take out the shifter. That's pretty much it, and then it pulls out. Yeah, that's all you need. Hoist and stand, and now I'll do more videos when we clean it up because this thing is sludgy. Here, I'll show you. I used an axe to kind of pick away at this, but this is all, yeah, that's all oil. It's 25-year-old oil. So gonna power wash this thing and somehow clean up these wires and hoses and paint it. So probably.
We'll make it look like mine. But
Yeah.
not like mine.
You'll see the color on mine. Matthews is in primer right now, so you'll probably see his color as soon as he paints that. So
It's a surprise.
it's a surprise. We'll see you on the next video.
Yeah.